Xinjiang Kumtag Desert, known as the Desert Wonder by the city, located on the east side of Shanshan County, Turpan Prefecture. This desert is only separated from the county seat by a wall, making it the closest desert to a city in the world. Kumtag means sand mountain in Uyghur, vividly describing the continuous sand mountain landscape here. Looking out from the edge of the desert, the golden sand waves stretch to the horizon like the waves of the sea. The sand dunes have different shapes, showing alternating light and shadow under the sun, which is extremely spectacular. Unlike other remote deserts, here you can not only experience the vastness of the desert, riding camels to wander in the sand sea, taking desert off-road vehicles for sandboarding, but also quickly return to the city to enjoy convenience after playing. Early morning or evening is the most beautiful time of the desert. The sand mountains turn golden red at sunrise, and the afterglow coats the sand sea with warm light at sunset. Every random photo is a shocking desert blockbuster. Next, please enjoy the unique charm of the city embracing the desert to your Haskell tent.